How to use FastPay on Doordash. Now, first you need to know that there are some requirements in order to use FastPay to cash out your earnings daily. So you will need to have completed at least 25 lifetime deliveries or tasks. You've been on the Doordash platform for at least 2 weeks. You need to set up FastPay and add your debit card at least 7 days ago, or you need to have done this at least 7 days ago. And you haven't updated your debit card information in the last 7 days. Now, how can you sign up? You will need to visit the earnings section of the app and click on the bank icon at the top to view your payout methods and ensure that direct deposit is linked to your personal bank information, and then we'll have to click on FastPay. From there, enter the requested details of your debit card, and you must have a debit card to use FastPay. Now, how can you cash out in order to use FastPay? Once you've signed up and have waited the 7-day processing period, we will need to click on deposits and transfers. That is the link on the earnings tab of your Dasher app, and there you will see cash out with FastPay. That is obviously if you have correctly set it up beforehand. And once we click on cash out with FastPay, you can select or transfer your week's earnings directly to your debit card, and you need to know that there is a $199 fee to cash out. So that's basically how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.